Hello everyone, welcome to Foreign Farming in the Philippines. When we came home from Tubagon yesterday evening, we saw an army of these trucks parked at Atapi. There must have been 40 of them, lineman trucks like this. And we're getting close to Tubagon again, and they're lined up. They're like working on, they're like every block there's another truck. There's a couple guys there working. I've asked Maricel if she would hop out and help me do an interview, but she's too shy. I'd like to talk to these guys. I saw a Bahico truck back that way. Maybe we'll see another Bahico truck down here. It's not just Bahico, it's not just our local power company. There's Simlico, there's several different companies that are represented. God, I'll get the word right. Gina had said something that President Duterte had said that he had sent 1,000 linemen to Bohol. And as many as I see around working, I'm kind of believing it. There are a lot of everywhere. I'm teasing these guys, trying to get one of them to do an interview with me, and they're all acting really shy. Kuya, come on! Don't be shy. They're great guys. We were laughing and joking here for a couple minutes. Marcel asked them a few questions when they came up to the van. Gina will assist me to translate? Okay.
Yeah, dali ya, ako na translate ya. They are shy because
I know, come on.
Dali ya, ikaw lang ya, dali ya. Oh, kadali ra gud yung. You're just a fast talk.
Just a fast talk. I know you're busy. Thank you. Can you ask him? He's from Bahico.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. He's from Bahico.
So, which district are you from?
Asa nga distrito?
District 1.
District 1. And that's where we're at, right? In Talibon.
Dito sa Talibon yan, no? Dili asa man inyong opisina? Dito sa Tubigon. Wala pa here. In the Bahico.
Okay. So how many men are working on this line?
Pila daw ka mga tao ang nagtrabaho dire?
100 plus?
Yeah, almost 100 plus.
So what are you trying to do right now? What are they trying to do?
Sa man daw inyong gibuhat karong adlaw ya?
Kuan man ni all dressing niya. Stringing kun arsa sa lambre. Saka sa lambre.
They are raising the wires.
They're raising the wires back into place.
And putting that one also.
So will they be able to salvage all these wires, or will they have to replace them?
Inyo pa nang magamit ka pa ng mga wire daw niya o tulisan?
Tulisan na kani pagtura.
They are replacing it.
They're replacing all. Wow.
Because it's already damaged.
So I'm curious, who's paying for the repairs? Is Bahico their insurance or?
They are volunteer workers.
Volunteer workers.
They came here to help.
Wow, that's very nice. So what's his estimate on when power will be restored in different cities?
I cannot answer it right now. We don't have an answer right now.
Not even a wild guess?
Yeah, no.
All right.
So that men, they are from Leyte.
Those men are from Leyte?
Yeah, those guys wearing black.
And they volunteered to come down here, no pay?
Okay.
Wow.
Isa tong saril ko ya, what is
Saril ko yellow black, yellow black no.
Well, that's very nice. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you for
Salamat ya sa imong
spending a few
panahon.
minutes with me.
Oo, ano?
Ay, ano mo, ya, pagkidya. Sige, salamat.
Salamat. Wow, these guys are just volunteers. That's pretty amazing to me that they would come out here, down here. I hope they're at least getting an allowance for food or something.
Well, I guess they have allowance.
Well, they get an allowance, but they're not. It's not like they're on salary.
Yeah. Maybe if their salary is 15K, maybe their allowance is 5K. Maybe, you know, we
yeah.
don't know. They need also allowance for food.
Food and a place to stay. Yeah. Well, they've got quite the job cut out for them. That's a daunting task. Good luck, fellas, and hurry. Salamat. Thank you. All right, what I've had Gina do, I wanted to do something nice for those guys. So what I've had Gina do is, if they have it, I've had her order 40 pieces of chicken. I wanted to take that through lunch, but it's always about timing, right? So it's about 10 minutes before 12 right now, so I don't know if we're going to have time to get it out there to them before they break. But I hope we can. They were nice enough to take their time and talk to us, so I want to do something nice for them, especially since they're volunteers. You know, things are going really great for us right at the moment, but you know what? Everybody's in the same situation. And if you can do something nice for someone when you can, why not just do it? They're doing something nice for us, so we can do something nice for them. Well, we went to try to give it to them, but all these trucks that were along this road like evaporated for lunch, so we missed them. We still have a few things to do in Tubagon, so if we're going to hang on to their chicken till after lunch, and we'll see if we can find them on the way out, and if we can, we'll give it to them and make sure they have it. If we can't find those guys again, we'll give it to a different crew. I'm saddened. Yeah, this is Mohico, but there's no trucks here. Yeah, anyway, I don't know. Those were all big trucks, and I don't know where they could have gone and parked them all, but they did. I would have thought they all would have been having lunch right close to their trucks, but I guess not. Yeah, so we'll give it to them on our way out. Thank you, everyone. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.